Good morning, children. Welcome back again. I am Amita ma'am. Yesterday, we learnt about different modes of transportations like land vehicles, water vehicles, and air vehicles. So, today we will again revise them.
लैंड व्हीकल्स। लैंड मीन्स ज़मीन। जो व्हीकल्स ज़मीन पर चलते हैं उसे हम लैंड व्हीकल्स कहते हैं। फर्स्ट इज बस। इट इज़ अ पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट वेयर मैनी पीपल ट्रैवल्स फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर। नेक्स्ट इज वैन। इट इज़ यूज्ड एज अ स्कूल वैन और फॉर फैमिली transportation. It is a jeep. It is used in safari. Truck. It is used to carry things. Car. It is of different colors and used for carpool and transportation. Taxi. It is used for lift and hire. This is an auto rickshaw. It is used in city and town for short distances. Next is bike. This is a scooter. Next is bicycle, a very eco-friendly land vehicle. Now, water vehicles. Vehicles that moves on water are called water vehicles. जो vehicles पानी में चलते हैं उसे हम water vehicles कहते हैं. Yacht. It is used for racing. Boat. It is smaller than ship and used for traveling. फेरी। ये हमारी बस की तरह होती है। हमें एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने में ये हमारे काम आती है। नेक्स्ट इज शिप। इट इज यूज फॉर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन। क्रूज लाइनर। ये बहुत बड़ी होती है और इसमें रेस्टोरेंट्स और बहुत सारी फैसिलिटी होती है। नाउ एयर व्हीकल्स। एयर मीन्स हवा। जो व्हीकल्स हवा में उड़ते हैं उसे हम एयर व्हीकल्स कहते हैं। फर्स्ट इज हेलीकॉप्टर, जेट प्लेन, एरोप्लेन। इट इज अ जनरल एयर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन। रॉकेट, hot air balloon.
Now, I will give you a solution of worksheet.
Look at the pictures and in the given box write A for air vehicles, L for land vehicles, W for water vehicles. दिए गए पिक्चर्स को देखकर हमें उसके नीचे L for land vehicles, A for air vehicles और W for water vehicles लिखना है. So let's start. First picture is car. This is a land vehicle. So we will write L in the given box. Now, which picture is this? This is a rocket. It is an air vehicle. So we will write A. Now, which picture is this? Bus. It is a land vehicle. So we will write L. Now, which picture is this? Ship. Yes, it is a water vehicle. So we will write W. Now, which picture is this? Boat. Is it water vehicle or air vehicle? Water vehicle. So we will write W. Now, last, which picture is this? Helicopter. It is an air vehicle. So we will write A. Our worksheet is complete. Now let's sing one rhyme. All through the town, the train on the track goes chuk chuk chuk, chuk chuk chuk, chuk chuk chuk. The train on the track goes chuk 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 all through the day. The car on the road goes beep beep beep, beep beep beep, beep beep beep. The car on the road goes beep 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 all through the day. The aeroplane in the sky goes way up, high, way up, high, way up, high. The aeroplane in the sky goes way up, high, all through the day. The boat on the water goes toot toot toot, toot toot toot, toot toot toot. The boat on the water goes toot 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 all through the day.
Hope you all enjoyed learning different modes of transportation. So we will meet soon. Till then, take care. Bye.